It's been a long day, but I think I know what can make it better. Got my little emergency packs in my car. Let's open one up. Yep. See what we can do here. Whether we get something or not, opening packs is always fun. Nothing. Okay. Let's open a Journey pack as well. Leaf. Journey Together has been pretty good to me. I like the set. I pulled an SIR the other day. I'm not a hater of the set by any means. Ooh, Furret, let's go. Cute. My wife's gonna love this one. Oh, that's so cute. Love this card. Well, that's how you turn pretty crappy day into a good one. Peace out.